Society at large and the automotive industry are in a transition to electrification. The need for renewable energy production, reuse and recycling is becoming increasingly important. When the battery on an electric car that has travelled many miles is at the end of its life cycle, it still has a large part of its capacity left. Enough for it to be able to have a second life as an energy storage facility. In a collaboration between Volvo Cars, Stena Property, BatteryLoop and Essity, important steps are taken to create a circular system with renewable energy for charging of electric and hybrid cars. At Essity's business centre in Mölndal, Sweden, we have together created a future-proof cycle where 5 batteries from Volvo Cars' electric cars form the base of an intelligent energy storage facility that is charged by energy from solar panels. The energy storage facility then provides charging points for electric and hybrid cars and electric bicycles with electricity. The demands for world-leading sustainable solutions are crucial for the future. This is one example of how we, through collaboration, create a circular energy solution while reducing the impact on the environment and supporting the goal of zero emissions.